Alright, today we're going to be doing a quick install and review of the RPM Muffler Delete pipe for the Am Maverick X3. It's really good quality, saves you a lot of weight, it's only about 4.5 pounds. You should get about 3 more horsepower, 3 more foot-pounds of torque. Good bit louder than stock. And it's all stainless, uses all your original hardware, all your original mounting brackets. You can use your stock Can-Am tip and the factory rear fascia. And that's pretty much it for that. We're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'll give you a quick close-up, show you the quality of these welds. Let's get into it. First step's gonna be to remove this rear fascia. We got 4 bolts. It's gonna be size T30 Torx bit. And we're gonna go ahead and get this off, get into our next step. We're gonna be removing these 4 carriage bolts here. That's the surface that your new pipe's mounting bracket's gonna rest on. That's just gonna be 4 13mm nuts. A little bit tricky to get to. You're probably gonna need a extension and a shorter wrench. All right, so we've gotten everything installed. Everything's hooked up. We're gonna go ahead and show you with the new RPM pipe here installed. There's a lot more room to see everything that's going on. And pretty much all you gotta do to install this guy is when your original muffler is on, you're gonna take these springs here loose. And there's gonna be 2 bolts here on each side that you're gonna need to remove. They're 13mm. And after that, your muffler just slides right out. You slip the new one on, get your clamps and springs put on. Once you get everything lined up, you've got 2 bolts here in the front of this mounting bracket that you're gonna be reusing. And that's also 13mm. Then you just need your 10mm to install your factory tip. Last step's just to put your valence back on and you're all set. Well, we got her all wrapped up, everything's put back on. She sounds awesome. Make sure if you're looking to get a little louder, you check out RPM Power Sports. We've got a discount code OUTLAWS at checkout, get you 5% off your order. Really appreciate these guys. This sounds awesome. Little man wants me to remind all you guys, like and subscribe. Check out 434 Outlaws on Instagram and Facebook. We got a giveaway, 100 subscriptions, 100 likes on Instagram. We're gonna give away a light bar.